Welcome to Cake Delicious Life Update. So, it's not a vlog. I really want to make a vlog so bad, but I can't do it right now because number one reason is I'm always busy. My whole day is just about therapies, massage, exercises. Yeah, just that. I just schedule them so that I won't get too tired, but the whole day I'm doing something. Number two reason is, I'm still in a wheelchair and I can't move my hand that good. So it's hard for me to just move around, go around with my camera, since my good hand is also kind of affected. So that's why I just made this life update. Quick story about my hospital life. First month, so I didn't even know how to stand up. I was too weak and I can't even sit without holding, or my parents will make me sit for a few minutes and then just literally like 5 minutes I will complain that I'm already tired. That's how weak I was. But I didn't know at that time that I will spend months, a year or two in a wheelchair. And yeah, that really, I can't believe it until now. Then after a month, they moved me to this rehab hospital. That's where I had 6 months of intense therapy. And that time I can't even eat some foods like fish, bread, soup, what else? Because I'm not good in swallowing yet. My tea and water has this thickener? I'm not sure if that's what you call it. I needed that so I could swallow well. So I spent 3 months of just exercising, making my throat or body ready to swallow. Then after 3 months, ST or speech therapy, that swallowing practice is done. And it changed to another physical therapy because according to the doctor, I needed it more than occupational therapy. So yeah, I had 3 months of 2 hours PT and 1 hour OT a day. The hardest thing I think that time is that I can't see my family because just a month or not even a month of stay in the rehab hospital. They don't allow visitors anymore because of the COVID cases. I had to do it on my own, and that time I was still so weak and I can't walk. It was like my PT was dragging me and I fell down twice. They said that it's because of my affected foot. It inverts inward. That's why they made me a AFO or brace. And I'm so thankful that it's just that short. I mean, it might not look good for you, but you know, I tried the long one, the one that reaches somewhere above the knee. So that must be so hard if that was what I am using right now. I made lots of friends like therapists, nurses, caregivers, or the old patients. Most of them are old. Most of them had bone fractures. They got injured. Only few of us weren't there because we had stroke. In the first few months of my stay there, I was so depressed because of course I can't see my family. I had lots of problems and all these adjustments I have to do with my new normal. I was like, what will happen to my future, what will happen to me, and my new friends would just laugh at me because most of them are 90 and I was like 30, so I lived just only 1/3 of their lives. They were like, "You're so crazy, of course something good will happen," but that time it's really hard for me to believe it. Honestly, until now, I still have questions, but I'm more positive now. It's just that I'm sad because until now my face is paralyzed. That's the reason why I have this mask on, because yeah, this part of my face still don't move and I can't even smile. And also, other things that I could consider very hard that time was that I didn't know when I can go home. They said that it's maximum of 6 months, but if I get better for 6 months, like 2 months or 3 months, then I could go home. And I was so sure that I could. I just keep seeing them go. I see the patients come so weak and so sad, but after a few months they will go home very happy and very well. While me, I went home with the wheelchair. So when I finally got out, for me that's really when the real life started sinking in. We went to the different hospitals and have my eyes and my ears checked, but they keep telling us that there's no problem. It just comes from my brain, which is a problem. So yeah, I don't know why, but I talked to different people online and they can find doctors that will help them like to see better or hear better, but for me, I just have to wait. I feel a lot better now because I don't know, my vision is still shaking, but I know where the camera is. I know where to look. Anyways, after I get out, I went back to the hospital for few times a week for rehab. At first, it was 3 times a week. I forgot the days, but it was 3 times a week. Then it became twice a week, then it became just once a week, just every Saturday. And now since February, I have therapies at home, just physical therapy. I practice with the walker. At the time, I was the one who suggested it because I really had the feeling that I will learn. That didn't happen, obviously. So the therapist that comes to our house suggested a different type of cane, which also didn't work for me and it was way too scary. So I asked them if I could just practice with a quad cane. The therapist was like, okay, we can do that. So until now, we practice with the quad cane, and what we're practicing right now is going up and down the stairs. I have 2 therapists and the 2 of them does different things. The guy teaches me to go to my room, which is on the 2nd floor, and some exercises I can do. I feel safe because I can feel his presence, like I won't fall anytime. The other one, she is really strict and she really pushed me to the limits, which I really like. So we do more walking with and without cane. So when we don't use the cane, she is holding my affected arms and she makes me walk. Then until I think it was last month, we started practicing without EFO, that kind of made me feel down because I feel like I started from the start again because my affected foot is so weak without EFO. But what I learned from all of this is that I just have to trust my therapist. I can always say what I want and what I don't. But, you know, if there's something that they really insist you to try, we should. Because they're just doing things for us. But we get tired. It's really tiring. And on days that I don't have therapy, we practice at home, me and my papa. He is my physical therapist here. So yeah, I practice with a side cane, with a walker, a quad cane, and now without EFO. So I really want to believe that I'm recovering, but it's really so slow. We just have to be patient, and I'm really thankful to my parents because they're really always there for me. I really can't express my gratitude, how thankful I am for my parents because they make me strong, and my therapist always say that I can do this or can do that because of how I do my best, but I really don't think that's the thing. The truth is my parents are the one who really keeps me going. They are being strong for me. I'm also glad that I made lots of friends in this community. So that's it for my videos. I am planning to make more videos like about my life in hospitals or about nystagmus or my vision problems. Yeah, it's just that I don't have this energy that much. I have improved a lot compared to what I was a year ago. I am so different. The therapy in our house, I started from doing it on the bed to just walking and walking and walking. So yeah, I'm recovering, but it's just really slow. Thank you for watching my videos, guys, and I'm really thankful for everyone who comments to my videos. I always see them, read them, and I'm really thankful. It's just that, again, my vision problems and my energy. So thank you so much to all of new friendships that I made, and for each and every one of you who send me a message and who post a comment. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Let's try this.